Tired of your Jira profile looking like everyone else's? That default gray header is pretty lifeless, right? In 60 seconds, I'll show you how to add a custom header image that makes you stand out to your teammates. First, we'll open your Jira account settings. Then I'll walk you through uploading and positioning your header image. It's simpler than you think. So let's start. Go ahead and open your Jira account. I'm going to navigate straight to the account management page, which is where all the profile customization lives. You can find this at id.atlassian.com under Manage Profile. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. See your profile icon there? Give it a click. This drop-down menu is your gateway to everything personal in Jira, so you'll want to get comfortable finding it. From that drop-down, select Account Settings. This is where you control how your profile looks to everyone else on your team. We're getting close. All right, here's the fun part. On the Account Settings page, you'll see your current header area. That's the bland gray section at the top. Hover your mouse directly over it. You should see a small option appear that says Add your header image. Click that. If you don't see it right away, make sure your cursor is actually over the header image area, not just near it. Now click Upload an image. This will open your file browser. Jira accepts standard image formats, so a JPEG or PNG file works great. I like using something clean and professional, maybe a simple pattern or a subtle gradient, nothing too distracting for a work tool. Browse your files and select the image you want to use. Pick something that represents you or your team. Just keep it appropriate for a professional setting. Click Open once you've made your choice. Now you'll wait a few seconds for the image to upload and process. Jira is handling this on the back end, so give it a moment. This usually takes about 5 to 10 seconds, depending on the file size. I found that images around 1200 pixels wide work really well here. Once it's uploaded, you can drag to reposition the image. This is a really nice feature because you can make sure the best part of your image is visible. Just click and hold, then move your mouse around. You'll see exactly what your teammates will see in the preview. Take your time here. It's worth getting it right. When you're happy with the positioning, click Save to apply your new header. Don't skip this step, otherwise all that effort goes nowhere. The page will refresh automatically. Finally, check your profile to see the updated header. Give it a quick look from someone else's perspective. If everything looks good, you're all set. That gray default is officially a thing of the past. And that's it. A quick and easy way to make your Jira profile feel a little more personal. When your teammates see that custom header, they'll know exactly who they're working with. Give it a try and see how much better it feels.